Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is going to be on this makeup look right here. I wore this look in my latest Instagram photo. I'll have that photo inserted on the screen somewhere. But I absolutely loved how this makeup look turned out, and I loved it so much that I wanted to share it with you guys. So here I am. This is actually going to be a voiceover. I was going to do a talk through, but I feel myself getting sick. You know when you feel like your throat is tightening up and you have that itchy throat and it's just so hard to swallow. So that's why we're going to be doing a voiceover today. But I really do hope that you enjoyed this makeup look. It just speaks spring to me, and I love that spring is already here. I live in South Carolina, so I'm looking forward to the not so hot but warmer weather than what we've been having these last few weeks. So I hope you guys enjoyed this makeup tutorial. Also, please note two things. My nails are looking horrible today. I have not done them in so long, and also this one right here, I slept the wrong way, so I must have been laying down on it, so that's why I have this little 8 band-aid thing going on. So just to let you guys know what's going on, that's what's going on. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this makeup tutorial. Please be sure to give this video a thumbs up. If you guys are new to my channel, welcome. My name is Rama. Thank you guys so much for taking time out of your day to sit down and watch my videos. I really do appreciate it. My channel is all about unboxing, makeup tutorials here and there, and sharing new makeup releases and other fun things. So if you guys would love to be part of my YouTube family, please be sure to subscribe down below and also hit that notification bell so you guys are always notified whenever a new video is uploaded on my channel. So if you guys want to see how I achieve this very easy, smoky, I don't know what color, I got peachy rosy kind of thing. I'm horrible at describing shades. But if you guys want to see this eye look, then let's just go ahead and get started. Hey guys, so I'm first going to start off with the eyes, and I'm going to take the Morphe and Jaclyn Hill eyeshadow palette, and I'm taking the shade Silk Cream, and I'm going to blend that all over my crease area, starting from the outer corner and then bringing that towards the inner corner. I know I'm going to forget to name all of the brushes and all that stuff that I used in this video, but I will always have the tools and brushes and everything else that I used in this video listed down in the description box, so be sure you guys check out the description box. I'm going to intensify the crease shade a little bit more by taking the shade Butter and Puder, and I'm just going to blend out those two shades right on top of Silk Cream. For my outer corner shade, I'm going to take the shade Jax. This is just a beautiful reddish brick shade. So pretty. Makes any spring smoky eye look so beautiful. And I'm just going to pack this on the outer corner, mainly focusing this on the outer corner. So I'm going to pack this on the outer corner until I get the intensity that I want. And I'm just going to blend that in windshield wiper motion and circular motion using this smaller but more precise blending brush from Morphe. I absolutely love the undertone of this shade. It's so beautiful. And then I'm going to go back to the first blending brush that we used just so we can blend out those edges. I'm going to cut my crease, so you can use any concealer that you want, but I'm going to use the No Filter concealer from Colourpop. And taking the flat painted brush from Alamar Cosmetics, I'm going to start from the inner corner and then bring that concealer maybe a third or a quarter out of the outer corner, if that makes sense. And then I'm just going to take the shade Sissy. So I'm first going to dip my brush into Sissy and then spritzing that with the Morphe setting spray. And I'm going to pack this shade Sissy on the center of my lid. And then I'm going to do the same thing, spritzing my brush with the Morphe setting spray and then taking the shade Obsessed and then packing Obsessed in the inner corner. And then letting that meet with Sissy. I never noticed, but Sissy has a more of an iridescent shift to it. So it makes a really beautiful shade for springtime looks, even summer look. I think it's so beautiful. So I'm going to do the same thing with the other eye, and I did do one eye at a time just so the concealer doesn't dry out. So beauty hack for you guys, if you guys are doing cut creases, do one eye at a time and the end result will be amazing. Also, I forgot to mention that I did do my base and brows off camera because none of those routines changed. So just to make this video a little bit quicker, I did decide to do the base and the brows off camera. I'm gonna go back to Jaclyn and I'm just gonna blend out those edges just so they look well blended and there are no harsh lines, and I'm also gonna blend out the edges right on top of the crease area. I'm gonna finish up the eyes a little bit later, so I'm first gonna go back to the face. So I'm gonna go to the face and I'm taking the Holmes and Physicians Formula face palette, and I'm taking that bronzer shade called Deep Bronzer, and I'm gonna use that to bronze up my cheekbones and also along my hairline. And I'm using the big fluffy blush brush from Real Techniques. I'm going to take Copacabana from the same palette and I'm just going to apply that on the apples of my cheeks using this blush brush from Luxie Beauty. And then I'm going to spritz my face with the Morphe setting spray just so all of the powders melt together before we finish up the rest of the face. Then I'm going to go back to finish up the rest of the eyes, and I'm taking the Essence Extreme Liner in But First Mocha, and I'm just going to line my waterline with that. And I'm going to go back to Jax and taking that on a flat definer brush from Alamar Cosmetics. I'm going to pack this on my lower lash line. I'm also going to connect that on the outer corner. If you guys want a precise application of lower lash line shade, this brush is so amazing. It's so tiny and so precise. It just makes applying lower lash line shade so much easier. And then I'm going to smoke out Jax using the shade Butter and Fruiter and taking that on a pencil brush from Urban Decay. So you can bring this down as low as you want or keep it like that, but really up to your preferences. I'm going to curl my lashes, and for mascara I'm just going to take the It Cosmetics Superhero Mascara. You can most definitely use both lashes, but I haven't really had the time to buy lash glue since my lash glue expired, so I'm just going to build up this mascara until I get that length and volume that I want. I'm going to go back to the Jaclyn Hill palette and I'm going to take Enlight and Beam and highlight my brow bone and inner corners with that. And I'm also going to take those two shades to use as a highlighter. So this shade as highlights is so pretty, so beaming, so blinding. Probably one of my most favorite highlighter combo in the universe. I'm just going to highlight the apples or the high points of my cheeks, also the bridge of my nose, the tip of my nose, my cupid bow, and above my eyebrows. And then I'm going to finish off the rest of the face with the NYX Lingerie lipstick in Bedtime Flirt, and then topping that off with the Fenty Beauty Gloss Balm. Okay guys, so that completes this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. This was a very simple but kind of not glam but smoky spring look. I really do love how this makeup look turned out. I hope you guys did too. Again, please be sure to subscribe and down below give this video a thumbs up. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.